everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be showing you how I make a shake. It consists of banana, sunflower seed, pumpkin seed. You can put any nut milk of your choice. I am going to be incorporating in this some spirulina. Now spirulina is very good in boosting your energy level. It gives you iron, ton of vitamins, guys. You should really use this spirulina. This is the one that I'm using. Also, spirulina is a sea vegetable, all right? So it's very safe for vegans to consume. Let's get straight into this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for selecting this video to watch it today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, as usually, start with the heavier stuff first. Like the banana, incorporate the banana in the blender. You can add your nuts. I added a little bit of sesame seed just because it was in the container. It didn't reach not even a teaspoon or half a teaspoon, trust me. Alright, so we're going to add our milk. You can add a little sweetener just in case you have a little sweet tooth, like myself here today. Yes, just a little bit. And some spirulina powder. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, bye.